This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the connection and eliminating obvious interference. Run a speed test now. You want at least 10 Mbps and latency under 50 ms. If possible, plug your device into Ethernet. Once done, Wi-Fi remains a fallback on 5 GHz and close to the router. While testing, disconnect other devices and quit background downloads or streaming apps so you get a clean baseline. This shows whether packet loss is from local congestion or downstream sources. Next, fix the local network path and prioritize traffic. Reboot both modem and router and immediately check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can drop packets. Then enable Co-S and prioritize the Xbox app or cloud gaming ports, allocating roughly 1/3 of bandwidth when needed, so packets get preferred treatment. If you stay on Wi-Fi, switch channels to a less crowded one and use 80 MHz on 5 GHz while disabling legacy compatibility to reduce retransmissions and improve stability. Finally, apply advanced fixes and prepare to escalate. Whenever possible, use a wired USB Ethernet adapter for mobile or laptop clients. Wired paths cut packet loss dramatically. Try an alternate DNS and, as a diagnostic, a nearby VPN to see if routing is the cause, but do not use VPN permanently if it increases latency. If packet loss continues, run ping and traceroute while recording cloud app diagnostics. These logs are what you provide to ISP or Xbox support, so they can pinpoint where packets are dropping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.